this episode, we're going to have a look at some background jobs and a callback that you're able to use to perform some other kind of actions. So if we call our very important job, we can call perform later, and it's going to execute, but it's going to error out. And on the right hand side, we got a notification of that error. This isn't a replacement for an APM or an error monitor, but this is just an illustration of what you're able to do with this kind of callback. And the nice part is that we can apply this on any kind of job that we want. So in this example, we triggered off a notification to Campfire. However, if this was a very important job, maybe you would want to specifically email certain people to let them know that this kind of job failed. And so that's what we're going to be diving into in this episode. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.